Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. We decided to share our first wedding vlog where Gabby's going to go over her bridesmaid proposal boxes.
Yep, so I'm going to show you what I put in them in case you have a bridal box to do too. So I'm going to show you what I put in my boxes in case you are engaged and want to make these too. They're not necessary to ask your bridesmaids, but they were fun to make, so I DIY'd a lot of the stuff myself. So I'll show you what I have in my box.
All right.
Okay, so we'll first start with the actual box. So it's just one of these photo boxes from Michaels. I really like these because they were big and they had a lot of different colors and options that you could use. So I got the black and white striped ones with like this gold thing. And then in the front, they also have a little slit. So I was able to put all the bridesmaids' names in that. So it's a nice decent size box that I use. So I open my box. Here's what it looks like. So I guess first, I put it on the ground. First I'll show, this is what I use to fill the box. It's this filler paper. I also got this from Michaels. It was kind of expensive. So I definitely didn't use the whole pound. I made 5 boxes. So I think next time I probably could get away with the smaller bag. I mean, not next time, but.
Oh yeah?
But
planning
anyways,
on it next time.
I think if you were to make it, I didn't use all of it. You probably don't need it. It doesn't look like a lot when it's in here, but then as you fluff it up, it expands quite a bit. So, but this is the Celebrate It bulk shred paper. Again, probably don't need a whole pound of it, because this is how much I have left after 5 boxes. But I also got that from Michaels. Then I have my cards here. So these cards I got from Zazzle. I designed them on Canva, then I ordered them on Zazzle because I was able to put everyone's name on it individually, where other ones you probably could do from like Staples and stuff. You might just have to write the name because you can't print like one card. So that's why I did it Zazzle, because I could put everyone's individual name on here. And then my mom made these quilling flowers that we just stuck on. So that was really cute and turned out nice.
Yeah, those are cool.
Yeah. And then the second thing I have in my box, this scrunchie. So the scrunchie I made with fabric from Joann's, and then I also just made this cute little tag. It said, "I can't tie the knot without you." So every girl is gonna get a scrunchie, and this is the color of the dresses that I'm hoping to get, like the theme that we're going with. So that's why I picked this color, and that's what kind of matches the card too. I did my best to match the colors. Next thing in the box are these champagne toast hand sanitizers from Bath & Body Works. You actually helped me get these.
I had to go elbow deep into a barrel to dig them out. So.
Yeah, they were kind of hard to find, but they had them. So that was just nice. They smell really good, and the color matches the box. So that is kind of just put in this little heart dish that I also got. I got these from Macy's. They were just really cute. So I figured they can put like their jewelry in here, or I don't know. I think they're made for sauce, but it's okay. So I just put the sanitizer in there and stuck that in the box. Finally, I have, or not finally, there's 2 more things left. I have these little notebooks that I just put their names in the corner here. I got these from Michaels, so if they have any notes or if they need to have any like dates for the wedding, they can put them in here, and any like packing list, just nice and small and thin for them to carry around and use. And now finally I have this cup. So this cup, I got a pack of 4 of these cups from Christmas tree shops, but they sell them like on Amazon and Target, you can get them. And then I stuck this vinyl on, so it says "Good things are coming." I got this, well, I got the PNG file on Etsy and cut it out with my Cricut using my vinyl machine, and I used Oracle 651, the permanent vinyl, and stuck them on here. So I'll link all of my products below in case you want to do the same, but it was super easy, and I think they came out really nice as well. And then in the cups, I'm going to be putting in these Godiva chocolate. So it's the dark chocolate ganache hearts. So I got this at Costco, but they're individually wrapped, which is really nice. And then I just stick them in the cups and they'll be filled with these chocolates. So that is my box. I'm not gonna put everything away now, but
yeah, it's been fun giving these to people.
Yeah.
It's a surprise because they think they're getting a gift, and then they open it up, and it's been fun to give them out.
I think they really like it. It's like I said, I tried not to do too much. It was pretty cheap to get everything, especially if you make things yourself. It's really, really simple. But yeah, so that's my box. Hopefully it gave you some ideas, and we'll probably put in some clips of the box up close in case you couldn't see it here. But
yeah, and thanks for watching, and make sure to like this video. It helps us out a lot. Subscribe if you want to see more travels and wedding vlogs, and we will see you in the next video.
Wake up, the world is smiling. Got the sun on my side today. Nothing can stop me shining. Feeling lucky in a big way. Soaking up every moment. Throw a cherry on your Sunday. Hands in the sky wide open. Yeah, I just wanna celebrate.